Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargull. In this video, I tell you about 10 health benefits of orange juice. Number 1. Maintain the blood pressure level. Orange juice is the amazing drink for the patients of high or low blood pressure. This delicious drink contains a significant amount of magnesium which has a wonderful ability to bring back to disturb blood level to normal range. Number 2, promotes the immune system. Due to the presence of vitamin C, orange juice acts as a best defender for you against several diseases such as flu or cold and also enhance your immune system. Number 3, contains healing properties. One of the top health benefits of orange juice is its healing properties. Oranges contain flavonoids which are anti-inflammatory stuffs. When you consume this yummy fruit in raw or juice form, the flavonoids work amazingly to treat the arthritis and heal the stiffness and pain. What is arthritis? Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. Number 4, prevent cancer. The latest scientific research has exposed the effectiveness of orange juice for preventing several types of cancer. Oranges comprise a stuff known as D-limonene that is an efficient agent against skin cancer, breast cancer, mouth cancer, colon cancer, and lung cancer. Number 5, benefits for treating and preventing ulcers. Ulcers generally appear in the small intestine and stomach. The occurrence of ulcers sometimes become a major reason of constipation because in this case the consumed food particles can't break down properly. The orange juice is very advantageous in treating and preventing ulcers. It also stimulates the digestive system. Number 6, prevents kidney stones. The risk of formation of kidney stones can be reduced by taking one serving of orange juice on regular basis. Too much concentration of minerals and chemical usually result as the development of kidney stones. Orange juice contains citrate which has an excellent ability to prevent this disorder by decreasing the urine acidity. So the individuals who are suffering through this terrible condition should include fresh juice in daily diet plan. Number 7, assist in weight loss. Many people believe that the regular consumption of orange juice is helpful for cutting down the extra pounds, claiming that this citrus fruit is full of antioxidants which act efficiently to lose weight. Number 8, reduce risk of heart attacks. Another leading benefit of orange juice is its assistance in prevention of heart disorders. Hesperidin is a plant-based substance that protects the arteries from being clogged by improving the health of nearby cells. Oranges contain hesperidin in sufficient amount. Thus, consumption of 1 glass freshly squeezed orange juice ensures lower risk of heart attacks. Number 9, treats anemia. Anemia is a condition that generally occurs due to insufficient red blood cells in hemoglobin. Iron deficiency is the leading reason behind this situation. Orange juice provides a good quantity of vitamin C that promotes the absorption of iron into bloodstream. That's why most doctors suggest the anemia patient to consume oranges or its juice on regular basis. Number 10, makes the skin beautiful and young looking. The antioxidant properties of orange juice make the skin fresh, beautiful and young looking by preventing the aging effects. In addition, the antioxidant with the combination of vitamin C protect the skin cells from getting affected by free radicals. Thus, taking one serving of orange juice each day is the best way to maintain the freshness and attraction of skin for a long time. Orange juice for skin is blessing with no disgust at all. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.